Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Molen and this is Cook with Molen. So in today's video guys, I'm going to Kamukunji. There's some things I'm going to pick for my kitchen, and so I just thought I should take you along with me and show you what I'm going to pick and some other things as well. So guys, allow me to start this. And by the way, make sure you keep warm. Jui baridi ya Nairobi. Weh! Hata sijui. Anyway, let's get started.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Self-destructive, I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am. I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind.
So guys, I'm back from Kamukunji and these are the things that I bought. I'm just going to show you one at a time. So I'm just going to start with this cooking ware. This cooking ware comes a set of 5 cooking pots, 1 cooking pan, 2 plastic spoons, and a washing sponge. So this cooking ware was going for 6,000 Kenyan shillings, but I managed to bargain and they sold it to me at 5,800 Kenyan shillings. So if you are good at bargaining, you are good to go. I wanted this cooking ware, this type of non-stick cooking pots, because I wanted something lighter, not so heavy. And these were the right cooking ware for me. Yes. So that's how they look like, the pots. And for the lids, I'm going to fix the handle later. Those are the parts that I'm supposed to fix on the lids. The pan also, I'm going to fix the handle. It has a handle which I'll be going to fix, that one. The other thing that I bought was these spice jars. I've been wanting to buy them for so long, but finally I managed to buy them. And this spice jars was going for 200 each, 200 Kenyan shillings each. And wow guys, nilishangaa. Online they sell for 500 Kenyan shillings, but at Kamukunji I got them at 200 Kenyan shillings only. Wow. Anyway, you should go to Kamukunji. Create a time and go to Kamukunji, and you will thank me later. So I managed to buy 5 of them. I wanted 8, but nikaishiwa jamani, but I'll buy later. I'll add the other remaining later. And I love the fact that they come with a spoon attached to the lids. Wow, I love that. So next I'm just going to look for the labels. Please tell me where I can get the labels, the pantry labels, then waterproof one. I want the waterproof one. You can tell me where I can get them at a cheaper price. So the next thing that I bought is this oil and vinegar bottle. I love this because it's very unique. The fact that it has marble, that marble design, I love it. It's very unique and classy. And it comes in different color. We have that white marble, black marble, plain. If you want just a plain glass, or the silver one, the choice is yours. And this were going for 550 Kenyan shillings only. So as you can see from the box, it comes in different colors. As you can see, 550 Kenyan shillings only, guys. And another thing is this oil brush. Imagine guys, these two were going for 150 Kenyan shillings only. Just imagine how cheap is that. Where? I can't imagine. So that is it, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And guys, if you haven't watched my other videos, please watch my other videos. And so allow me to end this video here. See you again in another next video. Bye bye.